guys, my name is Raksha and welcome back to my channel. So before starting the video, I wanted to tell you all that I'm also on Instagram, so do check my profile there. My Instagram handle link is in the description box below, so follow me there. Also, now let's start the video. So today I'm gonna try out the classic red lip look or classic red look. This look is a very classy and an evergreen look which is perfect for any occasion. So do watch the video till the end, and now let's jump into the video. So first I'm gonna apply my primer. For primer I'm using the Nykaa Prep Me Up face primer. I'm gonna take this much amount, rub it between my fingers, warm it up. Primer blur out your open pores and smoothens your skin so that makeup is applied flawlessly. If you don't have a primer, you can use aloe vera gel as well. Now I'm gonna conceal my dark circles and my pigmentation. For that I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 Medium. Now I'm gonna blend it with a damp beauty blender. Now before applying my foundation, I'm gonna prep my lips as well. For that I'm using the LAKME Lip Love. Now for my foundation, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal True Matte Super Blendable Foundation. And now I'm gonna blend it. Now I'm gonna set my face. For that I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in the shade C40, and with the help of a fluffy brush, remove any creases around my eye area. Now for my eyes, I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette and take a light brown eyeshadow. Place it like this and run it all over my eyes in a circular motion like this. I will use this eyeshadow as my transition shade. Then I'm gonna take a thin eyeshadow blending brush and take a eyeshadow darker to my transition shade. This one I'm gonna place it like this and do my outer corners. Now I'm gonna take a glitter eyeshadow, this one, and apply it to my eyelids as well as my inner corners. I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow and with the help of an angular brush like this, make a wing eyeliner. Take a pencil brush and take this eyeshadow, the one which I used for my outer corners, and then do my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes. Mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Hyper Curl waterproof mascara. Now I'm gonna contour my face. For that I'm using the Wet n Wild contouring palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. Always contour in upward position. For nose contour, start from here. Blush, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Master Blush Color and Highlight Kit and mix these two shades. I'm applying the blush to my temples and not on the apple of my cheekbones because I don't want my face to look round. For my highlighter, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Masterchrome highlighter. For lipstick, I'm gonna use the Maybelline The Loaded Blue Bolts in the shade Dynamite Red. you guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share this video with your friends and families, and do try out this look. I will be back with some another videos. Till then, take care. Bye.